Hi, I'm Tembeka from Yizo.com. I'm tired of 2020, said Kanyimbawu. Those aware of Kanyimbawu revealed that the Kwaito star Nomasonto Masongai, best known as Mshoza, has passed away. Rest in peace, my love. She passed away in Johannesburg Hospital on 19 November of 2020. She followed her mom, Glora Masongai Mafuma, who passed on 24 June at Pretoria North in Soweto. The death of Queen Mshoza shocked a lot of people across social media platforms. She was tested COVID-19 positive few months back. She fell worse because she was a diabetes patient and she recovered. And still now the cause of her death is still unknown. May her soul rest in peace. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and press notification button to be the first to see when I upload it.